Hey, hello again, do-it-yourselfers. Just a quick walkthrough on the back end of the C4 Corvette. There's my 90. Everything's all nice and put together. That's what it should look like when you're ready to drive it. Over here's my 89. Had some fuel system issues. Went ahead and decided to replace the fuel tank. Just put the new tank in. There as it sits. It sits on what they call a frame extension, which I learned about after some research. Here we are in the aft right wheel well. You can see this is the frame extension, and there are 4 bolts. Hold it in place. Same thing on the other side. A couple of braces for the rear fascia. This is our rear bumper. New gas tank in place. Straps. Gas lines, I went ahead and replaced the rubber up top. Go underneath when you are pulling this frame extension. You'll notice you've got grounding straps on the tank that you're going to be replacing. They will basically come off here, 2 more on the other side. Mine were in pretty good shape, didn't need to buy new ones, but you certainly can if you want to. Over here, gasoline vent line. Just got to be careful when you're taking that off. I just clipped the old hose when I was uninstalling, and then bought some new 1/4-inch line at AutoZone. You can see over here mounts for the mufflers and the exhaust system. In fact, there's the back end of the exhaust system sitting up against the garage. That'll get reinstalled. It's not a terribly difficult job, just a time consumer, because you basically have to keep track of what you're doing, make sure all the bolts get laid in the appropriate place. It's a good look at the rear fascia. You've never seen one off. Those are all the holes that are actually in the body of the car. And we'll take a walk over here. And you can see some of the attach points. Those are going to be easy to get to, obviously, when you reinstall. 5 fixed bolts. They'll basically have nuts that reattach those. And I believe you've got 7 or so across the top here. Some of them are hard to get to. Another 5, and then those. Then obviously you can see the frame supports on either side that'll hook back up to that. There's the inside of the tail light mounts. Those are a bit of a bear to get to if you're only replacing the tail lights. See the high mounted brake light and the license plate light. So just a quick primer on the back end of the C4 Corvette. Again, this stuff is available elsewhere. Just thought I'd kind of consolidate it all into one quick video. If you're considering doing the work yourself, you can kind of see an overview of what's involved.